It snowed, and it snowed some more, canceling classes across the Northland and leaving the region under a thick blanket.
Oh, it's like it's at least a foot and a half in some places.
Guessing it's 4 to 8 depending, maybe a little more with some of the drifting, and sloppy and wet underneath.
The storm left the area buried, and if you were like any other Northlander, your morning probably looked like this, digging yourself, your neighbors, and your car out of the snow.
I know a lot of people want the snow, but my selfish reasoning is I don't want to have to clean it up.
As bad as it is to shovel or plow, we need it.
For those not left cleaning up, the best part was
No school. No school.
these kids definitely didn't waste their day away from the classroom.
How about we go skiing? It's our snow day. Let's do something fun today.
While some were disappointed with the return of winter, others embraced it being back.
This is great. I mean, if you don't like it up here, if you complain about it, I mean, I know not everybody can move, but this is a nice place. We have all seasons.
In Duluth, I'm Rihanna Marnotti for KBJR 6 and Range 11.